in a village of the Penedès region in Catalonia. Nothing will be the same again. 17 years later, an old tradition returns. New and old songs. The village streets will hear the music. Progress, virtue, and love.
Cap al mar, vineu, vora els serrats i arran del mar.